What's the meaning of Anadin? Anadin. 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 Anadin.
Anadin is a brand of pain relievers that contains aspirin, paracetamol, and caffeine. Aspirin and paracetamol help to relieve pain by blocking the production of prostaglandins, which trigger pain and inflammation in the body. Caffeine acts as a stimulant and can enhance the effectiveness of these pain-relieving drugs. Anadin is commonly used to relieve headaches, toothaches, menstrual pain, and other mild to moderate types of pain. However, it may cause side effects such as stomach upset, nausea, and allergic reactions, and should be used only as directed by a healthcare professional.